Dear students, how are you? I think you are very good at home. We are also well. Now, today we will discuss lesson 8, tribal groups of Bangladesh. There are groups of people in Bangladesh. They are called tribal people. They live in the regions of Chittagong, Hilltracts, Sylhet Division, Rajshahi Division and Mymensingh districts. The majority of the tribal population live in rural areas. Their lifestyle, culture, language, occupation are different from others. And tribal groups also different from each other. So they are not looking same. They are different from other tribals. Like Shantal and Garo are not same. Tripura and Manipuris are not looking same. So they are not same. Their language, their culture also. The main tribal groups in our country. There are many tribals in our country, but the major or main tribals we'll see today. The Chakmas, the Manipuris, the Sautals, the Marmas, the Garos, the Tripuras, the Khasias and the Rakhines. The Chakma. We will discuss now Chakma. The Chakmas live in hilly districts Rangamati, Khagrachari and Bandarban. Chakmas were migrated from Arakan province of Myanmar. The Chakmas are divided into different clans or gosti. The head of the Chakma tribe is called the Chakma Raja, or we can say king. They can get married within or outside of their clans. The Chakmas call their village Adam. The Chakmas language has its own alphabet. So they speak and use their own language and alphabet. Most of them are Buddhist. So they worship Buddha. The Chakma people are very hardworking. The Chakma have their own dance, song and literature. They have their own language, dance and song. Also, they have a literature, own language. A good number of Chakma are engaged in weaving cotton fabrics and producing bamboo baskets. So they weave cotton cloths. They have a traditional dress that they weave and they sell it outside also. They wear their traditional dresses. Nowadays, more and more of them are becoming literate and many are studying in schools, college and universities. So before they are not so much literate, but nowadays they are getting education and they are improving themselves. And the people of Chakma are very gorgeous when they wear their traditional dress. Now we will know about Manipuri. The Manipuris migrated to Bangladesh during the region of Rajasri. At present, they live in different places of Sylhet division like Kamalanga, Srimangal and other thanas of Moulambazar districts. Manipuri culture has a rich and colorful traditional where dance and music play a vital role. Rasha dance is the finest product of their culture. The dress wear during our dance is really gorgeous and beautiful. Manipuri people and are divided into 7 groups. They cannot get married the same group, but they can get married other groups of Manipuri community. Farming is the chief occupation of the Manipuri people. Majority of the Manipuri people are followers of Vaishnava religion. Some Manipuris are Muslim also. Manipuri dance is famous throughout the world. So, we will see the picture of Manipuris. So, let's see, they are dancing with their traditional dress. The Shautals. Now, we will know about Shautals. The Shautals are known as one of the oldest and largest tribal communities in the western belt of Bangladesh. Shautals are largely seen in the northern districts of Dinajpur, Naogan, Takurgaon and Panchgarh. They have their own language, culture and social patterns. Most Shautals are Christians now. They are also very hardworking. They are very proficient in music and dance. So, if you have any time, you may visit the tribal groups. If you go there, you must enjoy their culture, their food and their dresses. See, the people are from Sautal. They are dancing like group wise. The Marma tribe are known as Mog. So, now we are calling them Marma, but before they have another name, that is Mog. Now, but they feel much better introduce themselves as Marma. They live in the 3 hill tracts of Rangamati, Bandarban and Khagrasari, and some of them live in coastal areas. Originally, they are Arakani. They are divided into several clans. So, clan means what? Goshti. The male is the head of the Marma family. The men are not permitted to get married outside of their clans. They celebrate Buddhist religious festivals. So, Marmas are worship Buddha and they came from Mog and Arakani. See the picture of Marma. See, with their traditional dress, they are dancing. Now we will see true false. The Chakmas live in the plain land. Is it true? No, it is false. So you will write here full statement false. F-A-L-S-E. S-E. Okay? I just show you short form, but you have to write the full statement. Okay, next. The Chakmas can get married within or outside of their clan. Is it true? They can marry other clans? Yes, they have right to marry other clans. Another one. Manipuri people are divided into 9 groups. Is it true? They are divided into 9 groups? No. False. Majority of the Manipuri people are followers of Vaishnav religion. Yes, true. They are following Vaishnav religion. The Sautals live in the southern part of Bangladesh. They live in southern part of Bangladesh? No. So what will be the answer? False. The Sautals worship their village god Marangmuri or Mahan Pahar. Yes, they worship their Marangmuri home god. So it is true. Another, the Marmas are very lazy in nature. Really they are lazy? No, they are so much hard worker. So here is they are lazy. So what will be the answer? Definitely false. So you will write here false. The Marma man can marry outside of their groups. No, they cannot marry outside of their groups. They have to marry their own groups, own communities. So it will be question answer. Very short. What are the main tribal groups of our country? Already we have discussed about them. Now, see the Chakma, the Manipuris, the Sautals, the Marmas, the Garos, the Tripuras, the Khasias and the Rakhines. You have to memorize these tribals name. Okay? Now, who is the head of the Chakma tribe? The Chakma Raja, or we can say king. In how many groups the Manipuri people divided? How many? In 7 groups. What are the chief god of Sautal? The sun. Very short answer, friends. Don't get afraid. So, I hope you are enjoying. But you have to read the book first. Okay? Then you will do this exercise. And of course, you have to write this on your notebook. These are very short question answer. You have to write like this way. No need to think deeply, okay? You will just write the key point of the question. Discuss another chapter and after that we will study general knowledge.